Now, welcome to your beautiful home. Hi, this is Jake Bautista and we'd like to welcome you to a brand new MetroGuide Realty house tour. Today we are presenting a bright, modern, 4-bedroom house and lot for sale located here in BF Homes, Paranaque City. This property has a great location, especially in terms of accessibility. It has fast access towards Presidents Avenue and Sucat Road heading towards Skyway and the rest of Metro Manila. So now let's take a look first at its facade. It has a clean, modern facade and it has a total floor area of approximately 370 square meters and a total lot area of 280 square meters. Now let's begin the tour. Let's go. Through the pedestrian gate, immediately to your left, you have a nice pocket garden right here. You can have a table and a couple of chairs on this side just as an additional amenity space, and this is also excellent, especially if you have pets. On the other side, you have a carport area for 2 vehicles. It's partially covered with a wooden design for the ceiling, and you can very comfortably fit 2 sports utility vehicles right here. You also have access towards the service areas of the house, which you will explore in a little while. And right here, you have your elevated main entry. In terms of the orientation of the property, the front of the property is facing south. Okay? Now, welcome to your beautiful home. The first thing that you notice here is this bright and open layout. When I first walked into this home, I was surprised at how open it is. At 280 square meters, in terms of the lot area, it feels even bigger because of how wide the living and dining area is. And you also pair that with that cove lighting for both amenity spaces, and you have such a welcoming space. Now you have your living area right here, and you can define it through the ceiling design. You can easily have a large living room set right here, and you have a modern light fixture right over it. And from here, you have your dining area. So you have an open concept plan, once again, that light fixture. And what stands out for this property in particular are the windows on 2 sides of the living and dining space. From this vantage point, it feels so bright. There's so much natural light, and you don't even need to turn on the lights to have a well-lit space, especially in the daytime. Now, on top of all of that, you can also maximize these sliding doors. One here, with a tiled patio space in a nice rock garden at the side of the house. So you have these pavers so you can walk all around the corner. So this is a nice just additional al fresco space on top of your living and dining space. So it's positioned right between the living and dining space. And then here on the other side, you have a second tiled patio space. So it's up to you how you want to maximize this, but this is also a nice extension of your dining area. And you can see this extends all the way to the side of the house. So let's take a quick look so you can appreciate this space. So you already have an overhead water tank. And then an area here at the side where you can potentially convert this space into a laundry area. And check out this vantage point. You can have a table for even up to 12 people here. And now, from your dining space, let's now take a look at your modern kitchen. You can see how wide the space is. You have all this storage. You can have your refrigerator on this side. You have this U-shaped countertop. And you can see there's so much space to maneuver. And you can have this as a nice breakfast nook. And you even have these pendant lights over this space. This is also a nice meal prep area while you're looking at your dining space all the way to your living area. You have this large window giving you plenty of ventilation over your stainless steel sink, and you have an Elba branded range hood and 3-burner cooktop right here. And once again, plenty of storage all throughout. I love how open the feeling is in terms of your kitchen, and you can even potentially have additional storage on this side. Just some small shelves right here. Or even like a cork board for reminders for day-to-day items in the household. That's just an idea. And on this side, you have an auxiliary kitchen space with additional storage. And this gives you access towards the side of the house. The designers made sure to even have this useful screen door so that you can have ventilation for the auxiliary area. From this angle, you can see that there's a big clearance from the perimeter wall towards the house. And here you have your staff room, once again with a screen door. And then a second wooden door here. Now this room has a window overlooking the parking area with storage and its own bathroom. Okay, let's head back in. Now, my first impression of this property is it feels very livable. You can have a beautiful living room set here and dining room set, and it feels like a home that in Tagalog, it's bahay na bahay. It feels very comfortable, it feels very homey, but at the same time, you have all this space. Right beside your living area, you have your powder room. With floor-to-ceiling tiling. And on the other side, let's now take a look at the first room in the house. So this area beside the stairs can be maximized for potentially additional storage, but that's up to you. Let's take a look here now at the first room. It already has a Samsung split type air conditioning unit and a nice feature wall where you can have an entertainment console. So this can potentially be a home office, a den room, entertainment room, playroom. It's up to you, but right now it's been currently set up as a first bedroom as well. And it has an ensuite bathroom right here. with floor-to-ceiling tiling and tempered glass for the shower enclosure. And you have a large window here overlooking your pocket garden at the front of the house. Okay? And now, let's head on over towards your second level. Let's go. You have a large window here at the staircase, which adds to the beauty of the facade of the property and at the same time gives natural light to your living space and your second level family hallway. And you also have a modern light fixture here. And another noticeable aspect of the staircase area is how wide it is. And you have a very sturdy railing with tempered glass as well. And right here, you have a second amenity space on top of your living area. You have a family hallway that's large enough to accommodate a sofa, and you can even have a television set on this side. And this gives such a nice feeling as you go in and out of the 3 bedrooms here at the second level. And on top of the 3 bedrooms, 1, 2, 3, you have a 4th door right here, and that's a surprise at the end of the video. But first, let's take a look here at the second bedroom. Now, you have plenty of storage already for this room. Nice indirect lighting. And once again, a Samsung split type air conditioning unit. For the flooring, you have tiled flooring with a wooden design. So easy to clean, easy to maintain. And you also have an ensuite bathroom right here. Another plus point for this property is that noticeable, significant ceiling height. And now, let's take a look here at your third bedroom, which is your primary bedroom. Okay, so you can see the significant difference in terms of the size of this room compared to the previous 2 rooms. It's large enough that it has 2 areas defined by the ceiling design. So you have the indirect lighting design here, and you can have your bed on this side, and then a television set on this side. And then this second area can be a lounge space with a nice sofa or a working desk here. And then you have an additional storage area here and potentially a dresser space if you'd like to have a mirror here. And I'm gonna stand over here so you can appreciate the size from this angle. And right here, you have your walk-in closet space and bathroom. So I'm gonna stand on this side. So you can see you have plenty of storage. And a dual vanity sink space here on the other side. And a tempered glass shower enclosure. So I'm gonna stand here so you can appreciate the size of the shower area. And you also have natural ventilation through 2 windows in this room. So you have one here and one on the other side. Okay. Now this house feels very relaxed, meaning there aren't areas in the house that feel forced. You have such a nice open living and dining space, a spacious living area, a maximized family hallway. And now let's take a look at your 4th bedroom. Okay, So this has a very similar size as the second bedroom, even the desk design and the storage as well. So let's open this up. And I like that they didn't make just one large cabinet with two doors. They put in the care to have these smaller compartments. And this room also has a Samsung split type air conditioning unit and an ensuite bathroom. With natural ventilation. And I'd like to note the height of the ceiling even for the bathrooms. Okay. So now we've explored 4 bedrooms in this property, but as I said before, you have 3 bedrooms here at the second floor and you have another door right here. And here is a pleasant surprise for this property. You have a spacious second level balcony deck. Let's take a look. So this is a very spacious and usable space in terms of an additional amenity area. This is connected to your family hallway, so these two complement each other. You have this outdoor area where you can have a large table and multiple chairs, and you even have a faucet right here. So if you want to have some potted plants right here to liven up the area, that's an option. And I just want to mention that this property has such a pleasant feel. It's also quite near the village guardhouse, and the area feels very safe and secure. It's also very pet friendly, and if you like to jog around or bike around the village, that's also a very nice possibility. Okay, and let's head on over towards the main amenity area again to cap off this house tour. Thank you for joining us in this tour, and if you want to know more about this property or visit it in person, just click the description below where you can get in touch with us through our email and number shown there. You can also send us a message and follow us through Instagram, Facebook, and now also on TikTok. And if you have a property you'd like to feature through our channel, you can send us an email at metroguiderealty@gmail.com. Once again, my name is Jake Bautista. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you clarity, quality, and convenience in finding a great Metro Manila home for you and your family.